Hi everyone! In this video, I'm taking you to the Umbria region, where I'll show you 5 hilltop or countryside homes, with prices ranging from €23,000 to under €40,000. These are typical Umbrian homes, built from stone and brick, nestled in peaceful nature and far from the busiest tourist spots. If you're not familiar with Umbria, it's the only region in central Italy with no coastline, often called the Green Heart of Italy, thanks to its stunning natural landscapes, hills, forests, lakes, waterfalls, and rural scenes straight out of another era. It's a relatively small region with just 2 provinces, Perugia and Terni. Umbria is dotted with charming medieval villages. The most famous include Assisi, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and birthplace of St. Francis, as well as Spoleto, Gubbio, Spello, and Orvieto, all rich in history, art, and beauty. The first listing is in Lugnano in Teverina, a charming hilltop village between the provinces of Terni and Perugia. It's part of the 𝗦𝗫𝗘𝗢𝗑𝗧𝗏 Association, which works to protect and promote Italy's small historic towns of significant artistic, historical, and cultural value. Lugnano has around 1,400 residents, and the home I'm showing you is located right in the historic center of the village. It's a traditional building from the area, made of stone, bricks, pebbles, and wood, giving it all the rustic charm of an Umbrian village. The apartment is spread over 3 levels. On the ground floor, you'll find the bathroom. Going up to the first floor, you'll enter the living area with a sitting room and kitchenette, complete with a fireplace and the option to use a pellet stove. On the top floor, there's a double bedroom. The total size is about 50 square meters, and the asking price is €29,000. The home is move-in ready and in good condition. Only the bathroom could see a bit of an update. What stands out most to me is the exterior of the building and its location, right on one of the main streets, which makes it especially charming. The village is just a few kilometers from the highway, and Rome's Ciampino and Fiumicino airports are just over an hour away by car. Here are Lugnano's services and transport links. Nearby, you'll find gorgeous places like Orvieto, Amelia, the oldest town in Umbria, and 𝗧𝗛𝗑𝗏, perched dramatically on a cliff. The second home is in the countryside near Alviano, a tiny village of just 1,300 residents, still in the province of Terni. It's a portion of a stone farmhouse with a private entrance and exclusive outdoor space. On the ground floor, there's a living room with a fireplace and a kitchenette, though currently it's a bit small and cramped. Upstairs is the sleeping area, with 2 large bedrooms and a renovated bathroom with a shower. The property is about 90 square meters, and the asking price is €39,500. One of the things I like most about this house is the outdoor space. Just add the table, a few chairs, maybe an umbrella or a small pergola, and it's perfect for outdoor dining in the warm season. Here are Alviano's services and transport links. Alviano is about half an hour from Lugnano in Tevernina, the village we just saw, and it's known for its castle, a 15th century Renaissance fortress, and its WWF nature reserve, one of the most important in central Italy. The third home is in Allerona, a village of about 1,700 people, located 50 kilometers, 31 miles, from Perugia, in the heart of the Umbrian countryside. I think this listing is super charming. It's a 2-story independent apartment, ground floor and first floor. On the ground floor, there's a living room, kitchen, bathroom, and a room currently used as storage. Upstairs, you'll find 2 double bedrooms and a third room that could be used as a single bedroom or home office. Right now, the heating is provided by stoves, since there's no central heating system. So that's something to keep in mind, unless you plan to use the house only during the warmer months. The finishes and utilities are from the 1950s and 60s, so the house needs some renovation work. The total area is about 98 square meters, and the price is 23,000 euros. What I love most here are the original floors. Even though they're old, they add character and authenticity to the rooms. Here are Allerona's services and transport links. Allerona is the westernmost municipality in Umbria, on the border with Lazio and Tuscany, roughly halfway between Rome and Florence. The main A1 highway is just 15 kilometers, about 9 miles, away. The fourth home is in Ferentillo, a village of about 1,700 residents in the province of Terni. This property is located within the Nera River Park, a vast protected nature reserve that offers peace and untouched landscapes. It's a portion of a stone farmhouse with a private entrance and private outdoor space. On the ground floor, there's a small veranda that shelters the entrance. Inside, you'll find a living room with a visible staircase leading to the first floor. Continuing on, you'll reach the kitchen with a fireplace. There's also a bathroom on the ground floor, right next to the entrance. Upstairs is the sleeping area, with the 2 good-sized bedrooms. One of the 2 bedrooms has direct access to the second bathroom. A cellar, accessible from the back of the house, completes the property. The total size is about 86 square meters, and the asking price is 39,000 euros. The highlight of this home, in my opinion, is the 2 bathrooms, a rare and definitely convenient feature. Here are Ferentillo's services and transport links. Ferentillo sits in a beautiful valley, about 30 minutes from Terni. Compared to the other locations in the video, it's farther from the highway, which is about a 40-minute drive away. My 5th and final listing is in Terria, a tiny hamlet in the municipality of Ferentillo, about 20 kilometers, 12.5 miles, from Spoleto. The property is a semi-detached house on 3 levels. On the ground floor, there's a cozy living room with a kitchenette and fireplace. Upstairs is the sleeping area, with a double bedroom and a bathroom with a tub, shower, and space for a washing machine. Completing the property is a cellar on the lower floor of the house. The total size is about 74 square meters, and the price is 24,000 euros. What I love most here is the view of the surrounding hills and woods. Out of the homes we have seen, this one is definitely the most remote. There's no public transportation, and you'll need a car to get there. It could be a great option if you're looking for peace and privacy, but it's not ideal if you want shops and services just around the corner. You can see Terria's services and transport links on the screen now. To sum up, these were my 5 picks for hilltop or countryside homes in Umbria, all priced under 40,000 euros. Which one's your favorite? Be sure to check the video description. Along with the listing links, you'll also find links to my 2 videos explaining everything you need to know about buying property in Italy and how renovation works. If you liked this video, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notification so you don't miss future property tours and real estate guides. See you soon. Ciao!